Hello student, welcome back for the next class of the financial market. This is the part 3 of the financial market. Okay, so let's go with the types of capital market. Firstly, let us have a brief idea of the capital market. The market where investment instruments like bond, equities and mortgages are traded is known as capital market. The primary role of this market is to make investment from the investors who have surplus fund to the one who are running off deficit. Means those who are having surplus amount, they can invest their money in the particular market, and from there the person who are in deficit means in a loss, they can take it from particular market. Next one is the capital market offers both long term and overnight funds. Okay, this facility is available by the capital market. The different types of financial instruments that are traded in the capital market are the different kinds. Which are the different kinds of the instrument are mentioned here that are traded in the capital market? Equity instrument, okay, credit market instrument, insurance instrument, foreign exchange instrument, hybrid instrument and derivative instrument. These are the kinds of the instrument which are traded in the capital market. Moving further in the chapter, next one is the nature of the capital market. What are the natures of the capital market? The nature of the capital market is brought out by the following fact. It has two segments. It deals in the long term security. What does it in which terms it deals? In the long terms. It performs the trade of function. It creates depressions in business ownership. Okay, depression it creates in the ownership. It helps in the capital formation. It helps in the forming of capital. It helps in creating liquidity. It helps in creating the liquidity for a company. There are two kinds of the capital market. They are primary market and the secondary market, which are the basis of it. Okay, let's move further. Primary market, it is the market in which shares and debentures and the other securities are sold for the first time for collecting long-term capitals. Okay, it is a market where the new particularly the in which the other securities, debentures, shares are sold for the collecting long-term capital. Okay, the market is concerned with the issue. Okay, the where it what is the concern of this market? It is concerned with the new issue. Therefore, the primary market is called the new issue market. In the market, the flow of the fund is from the saver to borrowers. Hence, it is helped directly to the capital formation of the country. Okay, I am saving the money and I will invest that money and I will get a good return. And the money that is given to a particular industry, that will help industries to grow further. The money collected from this market is generally used by the companies to modernize the plant, machinery, building for extending the business and for setting the new business unit. Okay, this money is used for a purpose of gaining a good particular relatively setting of a good industry in the form of business unit. Moving ahead, next one is the features of the primary market. Okay, the first feature is it is related with the new issue. Next one is it has no particular place. It has a furious method of flooring the method of raising. Okay, capital market, primary market. Okay, it's the in the primary market, public issue, offer for sale, private placement, right issue, electronic initial public offer. It comes before the secondary market. These are the features of the primary market. Now moving ahead in the secondary market. The secondary market is that market in which the buying and selling of previously issued security is done. Okay, buying and selling of the previously issued security is done. Okay, the first one is that transaction of the secondary market are generally done through the medium of stock exchange. What is the transaction done basically? In the transaction of stock exchange. Next is the chief purpose of the secondary market is the creative liquidity in security. There is a chief purpose of the secondary market is to create liquidity in the particular security. Next one is if an individual has bought some security, he now want to sell it. He can do so through the medium of stock exchange. To sell or purchase through this medium, stock exchange requires the service of the broker. Presently, there are 24 stock exchange in India. Okay, the best one or the oldest one is BSE and NSE. BSE, the Bombay Stock Exchange, and the NSE means National Stock Exchange. Features of secondary market: it creates liquidity, it comes after the primary market, it has a particular place, it encourages new investment. These were the features of the secondary market. Thank you for this video. This much was there, the types of capital market. It was in this video we have learned about the particular capital market and the types of the particular capital market.